Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Study Point Tutor. Today we know how to make a folder in our PC, means personal computer, or in our window. At first, what's the steps to create any folder which carry out our all the files? I have one folder which I made for my study purpose. I made a folder which name study in my window. It is made by a very simple step which I carry all my files of study. I want to show you my file. You see that this is my file of study where I took over my study things and also our editing and our YouTube channel photos and thumbnails. You see that this is the my folder which name study. There is many folder, user and also folders. You make many folders in your window. How to make? What is the steps? At first, as a theory, first step, click on left button of your click right button of your mouse and this type of just you click on right button of your mouse, then you see this page. You see the option of new. Our second step is click on option new and you see there is many of the options are created. Now our third step is click on option folder. Now your folder is created. Now name your folder. I name my folder computer study, and now you make this folder completely. Your process is complete. Now you can carry all your files in this. Now there is some PPT and my PDF that I put it in this file, this folder. Let's then move to computer study. Yeah, they complete. I took some files in this folder. Now click, you see claim process environment and then enterprises. This is the three folders. This is the three files which I took in my folder computer study. Thank you. Keep watching this video. Meet you in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe our channel for this type of notification and videos. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.